This thing is serious, you know. I don't know when black people and I can realize that we stand together and we become great, and we separate from each other, we become prey. Let us unite, man, and stick together. You understand me? One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Remember those words. We are the Buffalo Soldier. Don't forget about that. We are the chosen one. We are the righteous one. It's time for us to build together and stay strong together. Jamaican Prime Minister, remember, think about your people. You are the head of the house. Think about your people. Think about Jamaica. Now, I'm out.